Those guys going to the scene are fire police. Their job is mainly traffic control and scene control. They respond directly to the scene in their own vehicles.
Now what about the lights? Now does the fire department give them the lights to use?
No, they have to buy their own blue lights.
Alright.
And it's only a courtesy light, which means they can't make people move out of the way, but they can ask for it, basically. Most people move out of the way, except for that one guy that was in the front. Have to roll their engine first. I think you're waiting for one more guy that's getting dressed right now. Oh, never mind, there they go. I think it was one girl's just coming in right now. What do you think so far?
It's great how they roll out like that.
Yeah. She's got to put socks on, because the last thing you want to do is put that gear on without socks on, because otherwise it'll get nasty blisters on your feet. Oh, we're getting returned already.
Oh.